You think you're smart? A bird just called you loser. Meet the African gray parrot. Looks like a regular feather duster, but secretly a genius. These birds can learn over 1,000 words, not just repeat them, actually use them in context. One parrot, Alex, became famous. He could identify colors, shapes, even count. When asked how many red blocks he saw, he answered, 2, correctly. While most humans are still failing math tests, and it gets worse. Parrots understand emotions, they mimic arguments, they troll their owners. Imagine being roasted by your own pet, who then demands a cracker. Scientists study them like feathery Einsteins. But owners? They just get insulted in stereo. So yeah, parrots don't just talk, they clap back. The moral? Never argue with something that can fly, mock you, and still live rent-free in your house. Follow Why So Wild, where even birds get the last word.